Hello everybody, Twins of Destruction here to bring you a tutorial on how to quote-unquote make some flintlock pistols. These two are two flintlock pistols that me and my brother bought when we went to Gettysburg, Pennsylvania, and it was basically a gift shop. The one on the left I made upgrades to, mainly sanded off the paint and painted the black metal to a real metal color. And I will show you how to make the one in my right hand look like the one in my left hand. This will work with plastic pistols, wood pistols like mine. Just follow along and we'll see with the first step here, if it has mainly a wood body, sand off all of the paint that is currently on it. Here I use a Dremel at high speed to sand off the brownish greenish paint. This is obviously sped up really fast. Kind of took a long time, so you take your time with it, and it'll eventually turn out to be like the one on the bottom. So this color is very light. It's too light to me. So I used a little bit of Danish oil, some basically wood stain, and I made the bottom one look like the top one. To start off with the wood staining, there's a little trick with wood stain. Supposedly, the word on the street is all the dye that's in the wood stain bottle stays at the bottom. So you can take a dowel or a paint stirrer, whatever fits inside your container, and stir it around a little bit so the color is more exact to like it is on the bottle. And of course you need some sort of rag or paper towel to put the wood stain on. You could use a paintbrush, but I feel rag is way better because of no brush marks and it just goes on more even. Now that your pistol is all wood stained and ready to go, the last thing I did was sanded off some parts on the metal. There were letters on this one side. There were letters, numbers, made in China, all that stuff. So I just sanded that off, but have no fear because the paint will pretty much go right over top of that. This part right here needs to come off, which is basically an end cap, obviously orange for safety reasons, but you can just easily take that off with a set of pliers. Then if you take it off and you got glue on the inside just like there is here, you can just peel that away. Comes off just like regular hot glue. And now, to protect the wood stain from the upcoming spray of silver paint, you can use painter's tape and carefully tape around all the edges that you can get to, which is 99.9% of the gun. now with the gun fully taped with blue painter's tape, I hung it on a string with the trigger guard and just sprayed it silver chrome to be exact. Once the paint has fully dried, you can finally strip the gun of the blue painter's tape and show its true colors. This next step is completely optional, but you can get some flat black, spray paint, brown, any color you really want, a paper bag, paper towel, and basically start to weather these guns. Personally, these guns look too clean for me, but you don't have to weather them. You can make them look fresh off the line, straight out the factory. But for me, I'm just going to spray paint this plastic bag and then dab it on the gun and then wipe it away to make it seem like it's been through hell and back. So that is my style of flintlock that I would like, and that's the style of flintlock that I made for both of them. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell us down in the comments what we should make next.